And so we are in Rivergee County, where this maintenance work is ongoing. And I'd like to talk to the Deputy Minister for Technical Services, who is leading this technical team. And Honorable M2, tell us what kind of activity is going on right now?
Simeon, this is one of the most critical parts in the southeast. Just after the sign, where we met, welcome to Rivergee, and we have the contractor Chico is working there. They're doing the removing of people material. Now you see the grading is going on, reshaping the road, doing the formation and everything. This was one of the most critical locations. We're very pleased with the work that's going on. We know the rains have been giving some problems, so they stockpile materials. So some of the materials, they're loosening them up now. This is a corridor from Rivergee to Kawiken. Okay, so this is a corridor, and of course we had a lot of critical sections here. Here, where cars used to get stuck, and this is where the intervention is going on. And that's why we told them work on critical sections where car has been getting stuck. But we've been asking along the road if any car been getting stuck so far, even with some rains. But this is in preparation of the heavy rains. So we're hoping that no car will get stuck. And I was saying they're bringing borrowed materials and they are spreading the borrowed materials. You see the compactor, we can't shortly compacting them in layers. And so far we're pleased with the work. They're working on the dish lines and everything, doing some of the curves. So far everything is going fine here.
So after this point, where we headed?
So we're heading to Fishtown, and then from there we're going to head straight to Plebo. And tomorrow morning we're doing the stretch from Plebo to Barclayville. So that's our assignment for tomorrow. So so far from here we're going to see if we can have some talk with the contractor on the level of work and the progress. So far we're fine with the progress because critical sections have been worked on, but we need to put some cover lines before the rains. We see a lot of log drains. We're not too pleased with those. We'll have them changed before the heavy rains. Let the work go on. Let the work go on. It's okay. So let's take control of this way.
All right. So the work has to go on.
Yeah.
Says the Deputy Minister for Technical Services.
No, it's been a good working time so far. This is the work we signed up for. We have to do it.
All right.
That's what we're doing.
Okay, sir. Thank you so very kindly.